Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. So I've been seeing for a little while that I'll be making a Jordan series collection. So here I am finally having the time to film. Today I have 3 pairs of Jordan 1 that I'll be looking for you guys. Before we take a look at the shoes, let me show you something here. I like to take out all the insoles from all my retro Jordans because they have the Nike Air printed on it. I really like that printing and I don't want to ruin it because, you know, after you wear it once or twice, those printers gone, like long gone. Some people put scotch tape on it, masking tape on it to save those prints. But imagine when you peel that tape off, you gotta peel the printing, right? So no, forget it, I'm not gonna do that. And look at those glue marks. They're all different from one insole to another, so I like to keep them out in case I need to legit check for a friend or something like that. Then I have it handy. I don't need to pull it out from the shoes every time. And my laces, I keep them aside as well, right here, white, royal, red. And yeah, everything in a little box like that, and then I just put everything aside. That way I have everything nice and tidy. I don't need to go through all the shoe boxes to find my insole. So some of you might wonder what I do with insoles. So this is the one that I use for all the Jordan 1s, because if you like Jordan 1s, if you worn them, you know that they're not comfortable at all. There's no cushion, there's no air. So I use these little insole here. They have a little gel at the heel and the front area. It looks like almost like a Lunarlon. Like you see here, they're all cut into pieces. And they're a lot thicker and the arc area has a little more support. They're a lot more comfortable than the Jordan 1 stock insole. So if you want to give it a try, I found these at Foot Locker, so pretty much you can find them anywhere. Alright, back to the shoes. So first pair is my personal favorite, the Bread. So there's a little backstory on this one. Back in 2016, Jordan retro these ones. It was the first time I ever lined up for sneakers. I was not in the sneaker game at all. It was my first experience and I took a big L. I didn't know that shoes were limited. I didn't know that you could not buy a shoe even though you want to spend money to buy it. So in the end, I spent the money on StockX and got these ones at resale prices because I really like these ones. And here's one of the details on the shoe, size 10.5, and you have the 8410 something. That's the date that the NBA banned the shoe that Jordan was wearing. It was not this exact model. If you want to know more details, you can hit me up in the comments or try to Google. And here you see I use the IKEA shoe trees. I use them on pretty much all my shoes. It keeps them in a good shape. They are a lot better than those cardboard ones that comes with the shoes. And here you can see the Wings logo. Take a closer look. The R of Jordan should be touching the D. If ever you're legit checking, that's one of the big things that you could see on fakes. A lot of them, they don't touch each other. And the leather quality, it's very good on this one. It's probably the best of those 3 here. And the next one here is the Black Toe. This one was my second attempt of lining up overnight. And again, I took an L. It was super limited. Even people lining up with me was not expecting it to be that limited. But it wasn't that bad. I am paying resale like maybe 50 over retail, which is acceptable. The leather quality is good, but nothing like the Bread or the Royals or Shattered Backboard. No, none of that. And there's rumors saying that there will be a Bread toe releasing this year. So they changed the toe area to red color and the tongue will be black. I'm curious to see how it's gonna turn out. It looks pretty good on the pictures, but I might not be copying it because my number one rule on Jordan is that I want to cop OG colorways mainly. And other than that, I try to go for special editions or city limited editions. So, because if I cop every single color that they make, there's so many every year, especially for Jordan 1s, I'll go broke. Like here you can see the comparison of the Bread versus the Black Toe. The leather is not the same. It's so much more tumbled on the Bread. But regardless, this is a super nice colorway. I've worn it a few times already. These are not that stock anymore. I still really like those black toes. Now the last pair I have here is the Royal. Like in my city, people are going crazy. These got released last year. There were some people who were lining up on the street for 1 week for these ones, because it has been so long that they didn't retro these ones. People think that they're gonna go for like $700-800 Canadian. No. These were mass produced. People were able to get 2 pairs easily. I caught a pair without too much problems. The leather quality was good. People were speculating that it's gonna be as good as the Bred. No, in my opinion. It's definitely better than, let's say, the Black Toe or other OG colorways, but not as good as the Bred. It's like one step lower. And the QC, I find it's not as good since it's mass produced. The overall leather of the shoe is not as consistent as, let's say, the Bred or the Shattered Backboard. Like, if I compare my left side and the right side, you could see, look at the toe box here. The right side is so much more tumbled than my left side. See here? And look at this one. Like, other than that, the heel area is pretty similar. Like, I know that I cannot expect the whole shoe to be the same left side, right side, because it's the nature of the leather. But a little bit closer would be good. But again, on the toe area, it's gonna crease up, it's gonna get beat up, and that's how Jordan 1 looks best, in my opinion. I find that the ones, one of those shoes that looks a lot better once worn and beat up and creased up than staying in a showcase box sitting just there. It gives the shoe more history. Alright everyone, so that's it for this week. Let me know in the comment below which model is your favorite Jordan. I might be filming that in my next video. So talk about the next video. I still have 2 more Jordan 1s that I have not filmed yet. So if you want to see it, let me know, and remember to like and subscribe. Until next time guys, bye bye.